2002. October of 2002. Craftsman belt drive, new in the box. Just pulled it out of storage, right? Okay. I just opened this keypad. Look at this. Now that's one good 9-volt battery right there. That has been in that keypad since 2002. Unbelievable. The quality of the early 2000s. Unmatched. Oh yeah, and I'll run it for you. I have this one programmed. I initially ran it on this one. So that's what it sounds like. Hold the button, it'll go down. $53964, by the way, is the model number. Original remote, as I drop it. I don't know if these work. Let's see. Nope. Those don't, but still, pretty cool. Keypad works. Anyway, that's all I have for you. By the way, I have the 53664 new in the box, too, from 12 of 96 with everything except for the rail assembly because it was separate carton. Same with this one. Beautiful machines, by the way. They just don't make them like they used to.